Hey there, welcome back to iOS YouTube channel, and we got Android 17 update before Samsung or any other device. And this is basically the Easter egg of Android 17. And it is running on my Redmi Note 5 Pro. So let's get started and let me show you how did I do it. So this is my Redmi Note 5 Pro and it has 4GB RAM and 64GB of storage. Can it run Android 17? Let's find out. This is basically Lineage OS 24, which is based on Android 17 and it is built by Arjit Saha for this device. And this is the Easter egg of Android 17. I really didn't understand what it means, but it looks cool. Basically, the performance of the ROM, despite the device being very old, is very good. I didn't find any major bugs as well. There's some lag due to blur, but you can disable blur in settings. And after disabling the blur, it becomes very smooth that you can use it on daily basis. Even with blurs enabled, it does not lag that much. Now let's talk about the camera. The picture and video quality of this ROM is way better than stock. As you can see, it captured almost all the details. Now let's talk about the ROM. The ROM is basically vanilla built and you can install G apps on top of it from a recovery. I will provide the link in the description for the ROM, recovery and G apps. I will also provide the link of the flashing guide so you can flash it easily on your Redmi Note 5 Pro. The ROM also has Dolby Atmos support and it works. Many devices have got an Android 17 update from custom ROMs, and OEMs like Samsung will release it soon with their skins, and we can see ports based on Android 17 soon. And despite being 4000 mAh battery, the battery backup of this ROM is also good, and I'm almost getting 50 GBs of free storage. If you have used Lineage OS in past, you may know that it does not have face unlock, but let me show you that fingerprint unlocks works in this ROM. As you can see, I am able to add fingerprints and it works very fast. As you can see, it quickly scans my fingerprint and unlocks, unlike stock that lags. So that is it for this video, and I will bring more ROM videos for Redmi Note 5 Pro as well. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe for more content like this.